Nes I cysylltu a cadw rhyw blwyddyn yn ôl a cael sgwrs ar gyfer dod â plant draw yma i Abati Nedd. A felly mae wedi troi mewn i hwn heddi. Mae hwnna'n cross-curricula. Ni wedi defnyddio mathemateg a Saesneg gyda'r hanes a mae'r plant yn cael profiadau arbennig iawn sydd ddim yn cael bob dydd.
Abbot Richard came with a group of 12 monks to begin monastic life.
The vault stays up for 5 minutes, it'll stay up for 500 years.
This is a limestone, but it's a harder stone than that, and you can tell, and you can see all the edges are all crisp.
There you go.
You're going to get a feel for the atmosphere. You've got your planning sheets, and in a minute you can come and grab a clipboard each. Thank you. Doesn't matter what colour it is.
Do I just wander over?
Yeah,
it's breathable because there's no roofs.
Look how simple it is, isn't it? We've got a chart with numbers on, and we've got a weight and a piece of string.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So Eva, this is Eva. Oh, well done, Eva. And da iawn. This is a fantastic classroom, isn't it?
Yes.
And it's more than that, actually. It's visitors come here, and as young custodians, you'll be helping us to really make this an exciting place for people to visit.
Can you get us all in?
There's a window.
3, 2, 1. Thank you.
Can I just thank you for your support in the project as well, and to thank Mrs. Bowen. You know, it has been exciting. When we come here today, it's definitely worth it.